Rafael, who's that guy? He's got a mask. Who's laughing? Rafael, who's laughing?
Batman.
Paulina, who's laughing?
Closed. Yeah.
Are the open ones more scarier? Or? They're both scary?
Yeah.
Well, no, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, we can just go there.
Yeah, no, Raphael, up here. It's fine.
Yeah. Where do you guys want to sit?
Dad.
That one? Raphael chose.
Or you want to sit there or in the front? By the conductor?
She did.
Okay. Go first, babe. It's a perfect night too. It's like drizzly and foggy and we didn't do this last year, did we?
No. Last year you went for treatment.
No, before Halloween.
It's coming.
I was working in North Van last year.
Yeah. I gotta fix Paulina's jacket. She's too hunkered already. She's popping out of it. Look, she's already almost too long for it.
Just looking at the lights.
What's the dad, Patrick? Another train. Now laughing again.
We'll have to try the other train too.
Which one?
Stanley Park one. So there's only 2 trains, or is there like more?
Two that I know of.
Okay. Because I know when I was younger.
Well, there's a haunted house, but I don't.
Yeah, when I was younger, I used to like look at the what do you call that? The Georgia Strait. There were all these advertisements for haunted houses.
There's one in Surrey that's really good.
Really?
Jen and I went there last year by ourselves because I think you were working or with Raphael or something. And
Look.
yeah, we do need to buy her a winter jacket. She's not going to fit this into very much longer. This might be like 1 or 2 times or 3 times that we're going to get this on her.
I hope they don't lose money because of the crappy weather. We're like the only people in.
Oh no, there's a bunch of people behind us.
Oh yeah.
How is you like?
Sit over here when you won't get me on.
Doesn't come cheap though.
No.
If Paulina was like a little bit older, it'd be $35 for 2 adults, 2 kids. Just one ride. Or?
Just one ride.
Can't stay. Did we get 2 rides last time?
No.
We came here, remember?
Yeah. No.
Just
we
one?
didn't. Yeah.
That one was cheaper, I think. Am I right?
Yeah, because it's less.
That one is just basic.
Yeah.
Okay, so the rules are there's no touching the actors, keep your hands and feet in the train at all times, and there's no flash photography during train rides. Keep your hands and feet in the train at all times.
What
No
you
flash
say?
photography during train rides, and there's no
Tripping on you?
Yeah. That's okay.
sure about that?
What do you say?
You say don't touch the monsters.
Why?
Because they get mad if you touch them.
Hey man, I would do that.